Hi everyone, Francisco here for another video, very quick this time, and I'll show you how you can synchronize your own bookings with Google Calendar. We have two other videos that I'll link in the comments to sync with Outlook calendars and with Apple calendars, but I'll show you really quick how to do it with Google right now. So all you have to do is, if you're not in My Dashboard, you should go to My Dashboard. That's where you'll find what you need. So My Dashboard is basically the place where your bookings come from. So if you scroll down, then you will see this link here saying view or change your calendar subscription. If you click on it, there will be this toggle. So if it's no, you should turn it on to be on the yes side. And then this link will appear. When this link appears, all you have to do is simply copy the link and then go over to your Google Calendar, click on the plus sign in other calendars, and then you need to add a new calendar from the URL. And this URL is basically the one you have just copied, so I'm just going to paste it. And then you simply click on add calendar. Calendar is now added successfully. If you go back, you see all your bookings in your calendar. And of course, you could show your meetings in the same place, so you have everything centralized in Google Calendar. And that's it. We hope you enjoy seeing your bookings in Google Calendar. Thank you.